Question number 4. Find the value of x in each of the following figures if L is parallel to M. Solution. In figure 1, since L is parallel to M, therefore x plus a is equal to 180 degree. Because interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Therefore, x is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. Why 110 degree? That is the value of a is equal to 70 degree. In figure 2, since L is parallel to M, therefore x is equal to 110 degree. Because corresponding angles. Question number 5. In the given figure, the arms of two angles are parallel. That is, AB is parallel to DE and BC is parallel to EF. If angle ABC is equal to 70 degree, then find number 1 angle DGC, second one angle DEF. Solution. Observe carefully the given figure. Since AB is parallel to DE, therefore angle DGC is equal to angle ABC, corresponding angles. But angle ABC is equal to 70 degree, therefore angle DGC is equal to angle ABC is equal to 70 degree. Since BC is parallel to EF, therefore angle DGC is equal to angle DEF. But angle DGC is equal to 70 degree, therefore angle DEF is equal to angle DGC is equal to 70 degree. Question number 6. In the given figures below, decide whether L is parallel to M. Solution. In figure 1, L is not parallel to M because 126 degree plus 44 degree is equal to 170 degree. It means interior angles on the same side of the transversal are not supplementary. Therefore, L is not parallel to M. In figure 2, L is not parallel to M because 75 degree plus 75 degree is equal to 150 degree. In figure 3, L is parallel to M because 120 degree plus 57 degree is equal to 180 degree. In figure 4, L is not parallel to M because 98 degree plus 72 degree is equal to 170 degree. Example, in figure, L is parallel to M and a line T intersects these lines at P and Q respectively. Find the sum 2A plus B. Solution. A is equal to 132 degree because they are corresponding angles. B is equal to 132 degree because of vertical opposite angles. Therefore, 2A plus B is equal to 2 into 132 degree plus 132 degree is equal to 264 degree plus 132 degree is equal to 396 degree. Example, in figure, PQ is parallel to RT. Find the value of A plus B. Solution. Since PQ is parallel to RT, therefore, angle SRT is equal to angle P because they are corresponding angles. Therefore, A is equal to 45 degree. Since PQ is parallel to RT, therefore, angle QRT is equal to angle Q because they are alternate interior angles. Therefore, B is equal to 55 degree. Now, A plus B is equal to 45 degree plus 55 degree is equal to 100 degree. Example, two angles are making a linear pair. If one of them is 1/3 of the other, find the angles. Solution. Let one angle be x. So, other angle is equal to 1/3 x. Since they form a linear pair, therefore, x plus 1/3x is equal to 180 degree. When you take LCM, that is 3, you will get 3x plus x divided by 3 is equal to 180 degree. This implies 3x plus x, 4x. When you cross multiply 180 degree into 3, you will get 540 degree. Therefore, 4x is equal to 540 degree. This implies x is equal to 540 degree divided by 4 is equal to 135 degree. So one angle is of measure 135 degree. and the other angle is 180 degree minus 135 degree is equal to 45 degree. Example, out of a pair of complementary angles, one is 2/3 of the other. Find the angles. Solution. Let one angle be x. So other angle is 2/3x. Since these two angles are complementary angles, therefore x plus 2/3 into x is equal to 90 degree. When you take LCM, that is 3. 3x plus 2x divided by 3 is equal to 90 degree. By cross multiplication, we will get 5x is equal to 3 into 90 degree. That is 5x is equal to 270 degree. This implies x is equal to 270 degree divided by 5 implies x is equal to 54 degree. Therefore, one angle is 54 degree and other angle is 90 degree minus 54 degree is equal to 36 degree. Example, in figure, PQ is parallel to RS. If angle 1 is equal to 2A plus B in degrees and angle 6 is equal to 3A minus B degree, then find the measure of angle 2 in terms of B. Solution. Angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree because they are linear pair of angles. But angle 4 is equal to 6 alternate interior angles. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 6, we have replaced 4 by 6 is equal to 180 degree. Now substitute the values of angle 1 and angle 6. That is 2A plus B in degrees plus 3A minus B in degrees is equal to 180 degree. 2A plus 3A, 5A plus B minus B will get cancels. This implies 5A is equal to 180 degree. Throughout we can cancel the degree. Implies A is equal to 36 degree. Since angle 2 is equal to angle 6 because they are corresponding angles. Therefore, angle 2 is equal to what is 6? 3A minus B is equal to 3 into 36 minus B in degrees. is equal to 108 minus b in a degree. Now we have got angle 2 in terms of b. Example. In figure, angle ROS is a right angle and angle POR and angle QAS are in the ratio 1:5. Then find the measure of angle QOS. Solution. Let angle POR is equal to x. So, when they are in the ratio 1:5, therefore angle QOS is equal to 5x. Therefore, angle POR plus angle ROS plus angle QOS is equal to 180 degree. This implies x plus 90 degree plus 5x is equal to 180 degree. This implies 6x is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree, implies x is equal to 90 degree by 6 implies x is equal to 15 degree. Therefore, angle QOS is equal to 5x, that is 5 into 15 degree is equal to 75 degree. Example. In figure, lines PQ and ST intersect at O. If angle POR is equal to 90 degree and x is to y is equal to 3:2, then find the value of z. Solution. Since angle POR is equal to 90 degree, therefore angle QOR is equal to 180 degree minus angle POR, because they will form a linear pair. So, angle QR is equal to 90 degree. Since x is to y is equal to 3:2, therefore this proportion can be written as y is equal to 2/5 into 90 degree, because angle QR is equal to 90 degree is equal to 36 degree. Since y plus z is equal to 180 degree, because they form a linear pair, therefore 36 degree plus z is equal to 180 degree. This implies z is equal to 180 degree minus 36 degree is equal to 144 degree.